We have qualified for the World Cup. We are very excited. Ndifuna ukuthenga amazinki ngoku ndibe ngiqokelela ndiyomisa umkhukhu wam phaa eAmerica. Yawundithola sendipha iWorld Cup. Yo. Hello. Ngicela ubuza si-office bafana ezo. Oh, okay, good. Uthetha no-number 1 fan, umlandeli omkhulu webafana. Yes, uTumelo Trom, ne-president yabalandeli bebhola iAfrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Yes, we are very excitement. And that's no man qale ngaphi. Ibafana ibichisa namhlanje be. Ibingathi imadlanga commission okanye la ad hoc Ndondon commission leyise parliament. Into iRwanda ibe ngathi ibafana besithi yebafana niyamazi uBrown Mokgotsi. Ithi Rwanda hayi thina asimazi uBrown Mokgotsi sazi thina uRed Mokgotsi. Ithi bafana yeni nabafana. Suhleka ithi niyamazi uBrown Mokgotsi. Shaba. We have qualified for the World Cup. And that's no one manithini pain ilende kwindawo ezininzi. Ilendile pain eZimbabwe because eZimbabwe bebecinga bazawusibamba bacimba asizuya kwiWorld Cup. Suhleka indawo yesibini elende kuyo ilende nakwiNigeria because Nigeria ihlala ingasifuni mos but namhlanje isebenzele thina. Bazawuya kwi-playoffs bona iwin yabo inceda thina. Suhleka indawo esithathu elende kuyo ipain ilende nakubalandeli beKaizer Chiefs abanye because iKaizer Chiefs divided. Bakhona aba ebebehamba nathi siyiSouth Africa, babekhona abahamba neRwanda abathi bona hayi ababathetha into zepolitiki hayi uHugo Bruce kwatsha kwacima. Shaba. We are very excited.
Just want to make sure before I celebrate, everything's clean, everything's fine. No one's got a yellow which you forgot about. No one's got a suspension which we don't know about somewhere. Pella, I checked and it should be all clear. Talent Butter had one coming into this game. If he picked up another one in between, I don't know. Ngezana was not Bogas was not Sharp. Hey, Mukwena picked up one after that. I hope that's it. So we're clear now. We can celebrate. No 2 months down the line, we want to hear, hey, there's a suspension or sanction. Guys, we went to a World Cup. You know what? They must actually take another 3 points and give us Argentina to play to qualify for the World Cup once. 3 points, give us Argentina so we can qualify again. Yo, guys, we went to a World Cup. Bobo Vulega. Apply for visas. You know Trump is strict. Apply for visa now. Hey, we're going to the World Cup, guys. I don't know. Was I watching 2002 Brazil playing? Because Makhopa was moving like R9. Sipombule Ronaldinho. A police, who was the wing up for Brazil back then? I can't remember. A police Bukaka. They cooked today. They cooked. Guys, we're actually going to the World Cup. But they mustn't stress us like this and leave it to the last day, man. We could not even work today. We couldn't concentrate at work. We're placing the calculator the whole day. Minus carrying the power of yx pi. 3 divided by 12 times 2 we leaves us on 17 points. What if Benin get a late equalizer? Guys, don't do that to us ever again. And one more thing, let's let Hugo Bruce do his thing, guys, please. There is no other coach, besides Allman, who's taken us to a World Cup. Hugo Bruce, like I said, for me, after Clive Barker, it goes Hugo Bruce. That's the list. And then the rest can follow. There's other, what's the guy coach on the 23? I can't think now because I'm happy. So let's let Hugo Bruce do his thing. And at the beginning of his tenure, when he started coaching, we all doubted him. And Hugo Bruce has delivered. Guys, I give Hugo Bruce his flowers. I know some of you Makosi fans, hey, he said ugly things about Kaizer Chiefs, but you know what? It's not him. He can say things in a maybe distasteful way. But for me, number one, I blame the journalists. Because if the journalists don't ask him about Kaizer Chiefs, there's no need for him to answer. He doesn't come out the blue speaking about them. The journalists create this whole thing for sensationalism, for clicks, for views, for people to read their headlines. That's what journalists do. And then it filters down to us, fighting on social media. Okay, pirates, another Kaizer Chiefs. No, none of that. This is Bafana. This is South Africa. That's all we must support. Forget everything else. Forget about the noise. Forget everything. We support Bafana. It's a huge milestone. We're going to the World Cup, guys. Next, the World Cup, once we dominate, after that, we need to dominate AFCON in December. And at the same time, we need to dominate CAF Champions League and the CAF Confederations Cup. Everything must just be South Africa. Everywhere they look. All right, guys. We're going to the World Cup.
Bafana. South Africa. Siyaya ku-World Cup. Le kwelasemelika awumsebenzi omuhle lokho bafowethu. For the first time Bafana equalify kuya World Cup since 2002. Iningi lenu lana ngakazalwa. Iningi lenu nanisama ngenja. Lokho kufaza ukuthi nje nakho Bafana yadlala 2010 ayiqualifyanga. Kodwa ngoba engama host ingakho yakwazi ukuba kuyi World Cup 2010. Bafowethu singabakhohlwa kakhulu iNigeria umsebenzi omuhle esenzele wona siBafana. Mkhulu umsebenzi bafowethu wenziwe eNigeria. Mkhulu iNigeria yenza umsebenzi omkhulu okudlula thina siBafana kusishayela iBenin. Yenza umsebenzi omuhle ohlula eZimbabwe ezizama ukuthi zibambe iSouth Africa. Sibabona uNoleje Msona bekhuluma bethi vele abafuna Bafana ingahambi. Baningi be celebrate abo Arab as if ba win the World Cup. He was a main man. He was my man of the match. And to prove game Bafana ukuthi he's the best winger eSouth Africa sinayo njengamanje. Ukhona ke washizolo seku live ucabelihle wathi apolice ngaso ke isikhathi uhleze gijima. Makuthola ibhola eSouth Africa ihlezi kuthiwa apolice yes bafowethu kwenzakala lokho sekubona ikhaweni ukuthi ngaso ke isikhathi makuphethwe ibhola ulokuzana apolice uyagijima phambili and kusebenzele siBafana lokho. Sipostwe even uFabrizo bathi kangibazo bana abafakela siBafana la. Siphinde sibonge kwezemnyama ngenkani bafowethu ngoku revive ilokuzana icareer kaMbulu and now sino best number 10. Siyazi ukuthi Mshishi age amshaya injuries amshaya njengamanje sinayo ireplacement kaMshishi lapha ku number 10. Ama-10 zakhe, ama-touches zakhe, ama-forward passes zakhe, i-combination yakhe iSouth Africa vele ibafowethu masibheka kahle igame ibiphethe uMbule lapha. My attacker. Kaizer Chiefs sibonga kakhulu ngogoalkeeper uNdwari kusiza naye dedelela amagoli awu3 siqualify. Masanda 1 yini singayisho ngani bafowethu nisinike umkwena besenzela yonke into endishini. And again bafowethu indaba ka Talent Mbatha ube impact enkulu egamini ukuthi njengale game yelokuzana eZimbabwe sasemdinga umuntu ozokhahlela outside the box uma abantu bedlala low block. Since umkwena bemazi nalapha kwenza something umkwena bemakile waqhamuka uMbatha ozoshaya lo mbumbulo wakhala isefo kwavuleleka lapha emuva. Bafowethu he's a hero. Yabona makuthiwa African Footballer of the Year ushaya hat-trick kwiNigeria. Bafowethu muhle umsebenzi. What a player. I'm glad ukuthi wayengekho against South Africa. Ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi wayengekho. I know abantu babekhuluma kakhulu ukuthi ngeke bafowethu inkinga yomuntu. Evidence ufakazi naye bafowethu wazofakaza wathi no ngiyafakaza.
Bafana is going to the 2026 World Cup. We did the business against Rwanda in Mbombela, winning 3-0, and Nigeria won 3-0 at home to Benin. Everything that we needed to happen happened tonight. 3 goals for Bafana. Opened the scoring with Talent Mbatha. Then Ozone Apollos with a cracker into the top corner and a header from Evidence Mkhopa to make it 3-0. Just the perfect night for Bafana. And then just a little bit of appreciation for Victor Osimhen and the boys from Nigeria, winning 3-0 at home to Benin, sending South Africa to the 2026 World Cup. We needed them to beat Benin and they did just that. Osimhen with a hat-trick. 3 top goals. So yeah, I'm open to the idea of building this guy a statue somewhere in South Africa. Victor Osimhen, thank you very much. And last but definitely not least, I do not want to hear one single negative word about Hugo Broos ever again. This man guided us to our first World Cup qualification in 23 years. The last time we qualified for a World Cup was in 2002. This man here guided us to a third place finish in the AFCON, and it just took us to the 2026 World Cup with a 3-point and a -3 goal handicap. I don't know more I can say about Hugo Broos. This is Hugo Boss. What an absolute legend. Bafana, we're going to the World Cup. Thank you very much. I don't know what we were worried about, but we are on our way to the World Cup. What an incredible evening for Bafana and for South Africa. Let's go.
Bafowethu. Yazi, ngivele ngisho lento ithi iyiphutha lento ukuthi niyo support i-foreign nation sibe South Africa. South Africa did the impossible today. They qualified. Guys, we qualified. Ngifuna umemeza but I won't. We qualified. We're going to the World Cup. Let that sink in. South Africa is going to the World Cup. Yayizwe lento ithi salam nandanjani. South Africa, Bafana is going to the World Cup, guys. Bafana is going to the World Cup. Leyo nto bethi melisho okukhulu kweni. Ngikade yangifisa lento kusukela ngisayintwana ngicela ubuka South Africa iku-World Cup 2010. Kusukela ngisayintwana ngi South Africa ibuyele ku-World Cup. South Africa ibuyele ku-World Cup. Isibuyelile. Thanks to Orlando Pirates, thanks to Mamelodi Sundowns. Umuntu engifisa ukumbonga kakhulu ngale qualification esiqeda kuyithola njengamanje. Mr. Hugo Broos. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You've made some of the best decisions in our country. Ngiyabonga coach, ngiyabonga. You did the impossible. Kade sasifisa lento. Baningi ababe nephupho njengami lokuthi babone South Africa idlala ku World Cup. Ukwenza lokho kwa possible today. Thank you. Sidlulele phambili. And uHugo Broos wenze into ekade ngiyifisa. Mina bethi bengafisa okuningi. Bengifisa nje into encane. We leading by 3 goals. At least put umdudu Shabalala. And wakwenza lokho bafethu, wakwenzile lokho. Because ama fans are worried. Ama fans are frustrated. Wakwenza lokho. Yabona manje ngamanje Kaizer Chiefs players intamele bayenze ukhuphula amasokisi ukuthi bakwazi go-eda lapha kwabadlali abawu-26 abaya ku-World Cup. Awakhuphula amasokisi. Ilo nto siyicela kunini. Kodwa other than that, what a performance by South Africa. What a performance by Orlando Pirates players. What a performance by Mamelodi Sundowns players. Guys, singakusho konke sikushoyo. But individual performance namhlanje isizile. Mbatha, apolisi, even Mahope, as bengamthanda Mahope, but today ngishaya phansi ngonyawo. Ngithi Khopadoski, ngiyakusalutha baba. Lento yenzile namhlanje. Ungigeza inhliziyo mfethu, ungigeza inhliziyo ndoda. Afethu i-country yethu lena angazi noma yini le yathi ngizama ukudivide i-country for what? I-country yethu lena. This is South Africa. We were born and raised here. Yo isifiso sawo wonke umuntu oyi-football fan ubona South Africa iyodlala ku-World Cup. Isifiso sawo wonke umuntu bafethu. Asingamusani ukwenza izinto ezirong. South Africa iya ku-World Cup. South Africa, let this sink in. South Africa is going to the World Cup. Ngifuna ukumemeza, but ngimemeza. Ngizozama ukuyiphatha kahle kule video. South Africa is going to the World Cup. Ngizobe ngilaphana. Okay, ngizobe ngekho laphana physically, but ngizobe ngila endlini ngi-streama lo game for abantu. South Africa yodlala i-World Cup mfethu. South Africa. We're going to the World Cup. Bro, we're going to the World Cup. Damn. Thank you, Victor Osimhen too. Thank you. What?
Benin with the worst choke I've ever witnessed in history. They took away a win from South Africa for you to go to the World Cup. And you still didn't make the World Cup. You started first, you finished third. There must be sanctions on Benin. There must be sanctions. This choke cannot go without punishment. There has to be sanctions. There has to be sanctions. I've never seen anything like this in my life, bro. All you had to do was win the game, bro. One win, you're in, bro. You went and lost by 4. You went and you let them 4. 4. I cannot believe my eyes. My eyes. We were either supposed to cook South Africa or Nigeria, one of them. Now we're cooking Benin, bro. The least likely scenario that's supposed to happen happened, bro. All because Benin, bro. They don't want to perform or something. No. Did they give you money, bro? Did they give you money, bro? I'm not understanding. 4-0, bro. 1-0. Did you even want to go to the World Cup? 1-0, bro. You could have just lost 1-0, bro. Did you want to go to the World Cup? Y'all didn't really want to go to the World Cup for real. You didn't want to go, bro.
Yeah, that's it for a video namhlanje bafethu. South Africa 3, Zimbabwe Rwanda 0. I'm still stuck on the game in Zimbabwe because those guys frustrated me, bro. But again, I'm thinking for guys into good thing. How is the pain landing somewhere like Penaturen? Because I don't get what you guys were trying to happen as. Actually, it was even hard for me using any TikTok. Is all the way Kaizer Chiefs fans were trolling SA and trolling South Africa, bro. And I was like, why? Like South Africa is supposed to go to the World Cup, and you guys are praying with Singai just because the players are not there. Okay, the players are not there. Well, as if you're watching this video right now, please. A player anyone like Kaizer Chiefs, elbling replace anyone over starting 11 namhlanje. Iliphi player Chiefs ebelingangena squad team lesiyabedlala namhlanje. Bozokhipha bani? Because when Umdu came in, the game is iphelile vele. I have nothing against Umdu. I love Umdu, bro. Kaizer Chiefs, my favorite players is Umdu and Ungob. I just like those guys. I don't know why. I just like indlela abadlala ngayo. And with Umdu, I even like a passion. With Ungob, I just like Uguti Silky. But I'm not there. I'm just saying, Uguti, I don't have a problem with Umdu. But let's be honest, dog. Right now, currently, in that Kaizer Chiefs squad, akekho umuntu mfethu ongafika akhiphe umuntu esikimini sebafana. Akekho, bruh. Ucele is not coming in for Umbata. He's not coming in for Umkwena. He's not coming in for Umbule. Ucele is not coming into that Bafana squad. Umayo is not coming into that Bafana squad. Umayo yini sayenzile because someone said to me earlier, Mayo can replace Mahope. I was like, okay, Mayo is a good player, but when Zeni Bafana Sambonu was okay, he can deliver on the international stage. Mahope has delivered before. In the previous AFCON. He delivered today again. So, Kaizer Chiefs supporters, some of you guys need to stop being bitter and just celebrate, guys. And I can't believe I was stressing like, yo, we are not going to the World Cup against Rwanda, against Ntwari. The fuck? And, bro, anything you bonile ngasulile, bro. Coach Benin was like, even he doesn't see South Africa qualifying. Even Lesotho plays better than South Africa. I was like, just because they deducted 3 points from us, all of a sudden we're a bad team. All of a sudden we are CCFIC number 1 by fluke. Come on, guys. Hating is bad for your fucking health. I can't believe it's in fucking but I'm just happy about it. I'm happy. I'm not going to talk about the game, but I'm only going to talk about our policy. Season my color, they were like, yeah, we dodged the bullet, police, we dodged the bullet. We struck gold. La Panavich shy checkpoints, police, but that guy's everything, bro. Yo. Anyways, that's it for you, man. I'm trying South Africa 3, Rwanda 0. We are going to the World Cup. And a grouping yethu. Bengcela Portugal, Argentina, Spain. Portugal, Argentina, and Spain. This is South Africa. I'm just so excited. For watching though. I'm out. I can't believe I did that.